pega, pega. Hi, this is Ferrella from Any House Cleaning, and this is the second time that I come to this house. 6 months ago I did this little tiny manufactured home with Carlos, and I'm gonna try to look for the video and put in the description below the link of that video. This second time, the first time was the friends of the owner who hired us, but now is the builder that I used to work with him until now for actually 2 years. And they remodeled this manufactured home. This area was carpet. I even cleaned the carpet, the master bedroom and this area. They changed the floor. The owners changed the furniture because I steamed the furniture too. And they put a quartz. ¿Se pronuncia así? Quartz? Quartz counter, black beautiful quartz counter that I have to clean. The builder recommend us to the owner, who the owner is gonna pay us directly. Today the job is to remove any kind of fine dust, and right now I'm doing the blinds. There are like 23 blinds, wood blinds. They are covered with dust. I'm using a microfiber cloth, damp, and I put a little bit of Fabuloso. Let me show you. I don't know if she can record. Just a little bit. It's damp and it's like blue, right? Baby blue. And it's a tedious, it's not complicated job, it's a tedious job because you have to go with your finger in all the spots, because if you do it like this you will clean it, but this part you can't. So I used to do it by hand, and even though it's a tedious job, I really enjoy it. I don't know why. I enjoy cleaning bathrooms, I enjoy doing basements, and one of the things that I really enjoy is to do blinds. Maybe I have the patience to do that. So did you record this area? That is black. So as soon as you get black, you move to another part with your fingers. I keep doing. So this job is more detailed than the last time, because they told me for the blinds at that time to use just a feather or a swifter. So it was easy to do it, but they knew that they're gonna remodel, so they told me next time. Well, they didn't know that it was gonna be the same company. And when I arrived, I talked with the owners. Oh, I know this house. You do? Yeah. 6 months ago I cleaned it. Oh, that's nice. I'm glad that you came back because the last time you did a really great job. And I was happy to hear that. So, black, 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 black. I'm gonna keep doing this. She's gonna continue recording the house, especially that area. I have videos how to steam and clean those windows. We are in Deer Creek, Davenport, Florida. It's a golf club area, really pretty area. So keep recording and I will come back, talk to you again. Me avisas que cuando estés por aquí. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you about something. When you do a post-remodeling cleaning or new construction cleaning, usually they have the manufacturer papers from the quality of the stone or the quartz. This is a current quartz sink. Black one. Okay, so here are the specifications. Care and maintenance. I'm gonna take a photo and upload it and put it in the community post. And it says to take care this current quartz sink that will last a lifetime. You have to just use a microfiber cloth with water and no abrasive cleaner, just for normal dirty or normal impurities. Okay, non-abrasive cleaner, liquid dishwasher, bars keeper friend, soft scrub with bleach and a cloth, and then rinse really well with hot water and dry. It says this should be done after every use. Doing this will eliminate any kind of water spots and soap film build up. What happens if it has any kind of metal abrasions? You can use a magic eraser. It says here, this is the manufacturer. Lime scale, use vinegar, a commercial lime scale and rust remover, like a Lamaway or CLR that you can find in Walmart. Vinegar, dilute 50% water, let it soak into affected area if there is kind of any calcium deposit for 20 minutes. Rinse with hot water and dry. Okay, everything. What happened, and you need to follow all the direction because these kind of sinks and the quartz counter has warranty, and you need to be careful in case you don't know the brand. Most of the brand has the same standard of cleaning. You Google any kind of manufacturer. If you don't know, you go to Home Depot, to Lowe's, you check the brand, you Google, and you follow the procedure. I did that when I do new construction cleaning with new cabinets. And I have a video talking about that. Going online, look for the brand, Thomasville, Casabella, so many brands, okay? And you look for the manufacturer, how to take care of the property. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Lorena is cleaning and sanitizing the bathroom. We just came here and I have to hurry up because it's kind of late. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing, right? And take care.